Good morning, everyone. We're gonna go this morning, grab us a little breakfast, and we're gonna do a little project for her dad. And he's got that Oldsmobile out there. I'm sure y'all seen the little video on it. Anyway, one of his taillights is faded on it, and we've ordered him some new ones, and I'm gonna go out there and put those in, one of those in for him. So y'all ride along with us. We go get some breakfast first.
Stay tuned.
Line ain't too bad. Got some people over there waiting, some up right here. It normally moves pretty quick at this Bojangles here, but we will see.
Welcome to Bojangles. May I take your order?
Yes, you may. I would like to get a bacon and egg biscuit and 2 steak and cheese biscuits, and that'll be it.
Thank you. Your total is $13.88. We'll see you at the window.
All right, thank you. Well, sounds like she's on her game.
I think it was automated. It was too perfect. Too perfect language. It was automated. Yeah.
She's quicker than some of them. Hello, how are you? I'm doing good.
Don't forget the mustard.
I got it. Thanks, sweetheart. You have some mustard? Yes. Thank you. You have a blessed day. Man, look at the line now.
There's a Clemson game today.
I was wondering all this orange coming out of the woodwork.
Yep.
Hey, today we're going to do a little project on this Oldsmobile here. We got some new taillights we're going to put in, and I thought we'd do a little video on this and show you kind of, it's not a really complicated job, but I thought it's something that y'all would enjoy. See kind of what we do on these small projects. Anyway, walk around here, Cindy, and taillight here, if you can see, it's kind of faded. This is a newer model, right? One that done been replaced. And we're going to take this emblem out right here on the other side and replace those and replace this lens. Anyway, you can see in here, got these bolts in here. That's 10 millimeters what it is. Anyway, we'll take these out and take the wiring out and pull that thing right out of there. First thing you want to do is unplug these lights, because just kind of twist them and pull them out. Okay, got them out of the way. Take these bolts out. This is a 10 millimeter. We'll take the outside panel off. then this light should come on out. It's a little bit tricky in here. We may have to take this piece here off. Okay, there we got it out. We'll get a shot of this around here. We'll go ahead and clean up. This looks like some old wax under here. We'll clean that up. Get all this clean and dressed up before we put it back. Plastic off of here. Just want to compare the two and make sure they are exactly the same. We got to put the emblem in here. We do have new emblems. We'll put those in here. We'll go through that. I'm gonna compare these two and make sure they are the same. Sometimes this aftermarket stuff just doesn't work out quite as good. Okay, what we have to do is we got to take this insert out here that actually holds the light bulbs out of here and put it in this unit. So that's what we're going to do. There we go. Now we're going to cut these new emblems out, put on here, kind of go like that. They snap in there, but they're, I have known these things to fall out. So what I like to do, I take some double-sided tape like this right here. If you'll notice, this stuff is clear when you pull it off. So I'll take it and I'll actually poke it through. Like I said, it's a clear tape once you pull this backing off. And that way you've got a little more holding it than just the little tabs sticking through the light. And it, you know, you don't have to do this. This is just a safety precaution that I use because I have known these emblems to, once you get them on there, to come off. And then, you know, they're not easy to get on certain cars, especially this one. It took a little research to find these emblems that goes in these lights. Anyway, that's kind of what I do there. Then, of course, you know, you want to make sure you're really stuck good on the bottom side. Kind of like that. And then you want to peel off the liner. And then, of course, you have sticky right there. And then once you place it on here, there's not much chance of it coming back off. There you go. Kind of like that. Together and stick it in there like that. And the reason I had to take this old one apart here is because when we ordered this one, it did not come with the nuts. So I took those nuts off and put on here, and then we're going to stick them back on this one. So that's what we're going to do now. when you tighten these up, because you are working with plastic, you just want to barely get it snug. You don't want to tighten it too much, because you will break that plastic off and cause you all kind of trouble down the road. As soon as you feel it grab and pull up a little tension like that, you just stop. I've seen people over tighten these things and just snap that plastic stud right off. All this old wax out of here, where this car has been waxed over the years, while we can get to it. Clean all of this out. Now don't forget, you got to put your seals on here. This is what keeps the water, the rainwater, from coming inside the trunk, and also around the lights once you get it in here. So you want to put these on here, and you're going to work your way back and get this thing back in here. Where's that other side piece of it? There we go. Got it all back in. And put your wing nuts back on here. Get the light back on. You want to make sure you snug these up flush. Don't over tighten them. When you get all your bolts tightened up, you want to get your lights put back in. Push them in and turn and twist, let them lock. There you go. Make sure your gaps are closed in. Right here, make sure that all your gaps are good. All in here. And I always do these one at a time. That way you can check and see if your gaps are the same. And it looks like we're in pretty good shape. Got the Oldsmobile done, and yeah, That's Cindy's first camera job, so I don't know what y'all thought about it, but
don't be too mad at me. I did the best I could.
Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. We'll catch y'all next time. Hey, y'all be careful out there, would you?
Bye, y'all.